Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at this very interesting Citizen Quartz watch from the 90s, which is in great condition. As you can see, it still has the original signed bracelet from Citizen, a stainless steel silver tone bracelet that perfectly matches the watch. As you can see, we have a very simple classic design with the silver tone case, the white dial, and all the silver tone accents on the dial. So we have the hour markers and the watch hands all in silver tone. At 3 o'clock we also have a date complication. Here we can see CQ from Citizen Quartz. Then when we look at the back of the watch, we can see a screw down back. This ensures better water resistance. And then we also have the original signed Citizen stainless steel back. Once again, also the stainless steel signed bracelet, very nice condition. This is a great example of a 90s collectible Citizen watch, so a Japanese watch brand in perfect working condition. As you can see, the watch is ticking and is a great collectible piece for medium and even larger wrists. So you can also adjust this small metallic part in order to make it larger or for smaller wrists. As you can see here on the background, we have a lot of Citizen quartz and mechanical watches. So if you are interested in browsing through them, buying any of these, you can check out our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below, guys. Also, if you enjoyed this type of content about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch unboxing videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, and I'm going to see you on the next video.